What up, it's iFly. In today's video, I want to talk about my new app, PiXtrude, Pixel Art to 3D. I made this app to make it as easy as possible to turn sprites and pixel art into 3D models, either static or animated. It can do several other things as well. I'm not going to go super deep into any of it right now, but yeah, its main purpose is to make 3D models out of pixel art. I will be making a whole playlist of tutorial videos going over all the different things that the app can do. Everything from image editing and setting anchor points to editing models, adding models, the extrusions, how to set everything up. Yeah, basically everything. The app's quite powerful if you know how to use it. That's why I'm going to make the tutorial video, so I can make sure everybody knows how to use it. Each tutorial video is probably only going to be just a couple of minutes long at most, so you ain't got to worry about sitting through hours and hours of long videos trying to learn how to use it. Each video is going to be very targeted about one specific thing about the app, so yeah, I can make them super short and super digestible for you. It'll be easy to find what you're looking for without having to sift through bookmarks or anything else like that. So yeah, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.